all of you. Now, today we will do experiment number 4. So, experiment number 4 is to study the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Already I have explained the physical properties while studying the chapter. These properties help to distinguish a metal from a non-metal, and the different properties are surface, hardness, malleability, ductility, conduction, and sonority. So, materials needed are different metal and non-metals material such as iron, copper, aluminium, magnesium, coal, graphite, sulfur, etc. Then sandpaper, sharp knife, hammer, block, wax, drawing pins, burner, matchbox, and stand. First is physical properties of metals. What you have to do? Take the above sample materials to be tested and lay them on the table. One by one, pick the sample materials and follow the experiment. Then third, note the observation. So first, rub the material on sandpaper and see the surface of the material. If it is shining in nature, then it is lustrous, and if it is not shining, then it is non-lustrous. Second, cut the material with a sharp knife. If metal cuts with the knife, or if any material cuts with the knife, then it is soft, and if it does not, then it is hard. And the hard materials are metal and soft materials are non-metal. Third, beating the material kept on a block with a hammer. Take a hammer and beat the material. That means you have to strike the material with a hammer. If it converts into a thin sheet, then it is malleable. And if does not, it get broken, then it is non-metal. Fourth, presence of material in shape of wire. Try to extend it, and if it extended, that means it is converting in the wire shape, then it is ductile. This property of material is known as ductility, and metals are ductile in nature. But non-metal, in both cases, it get broken, and this property is known as brittleness. So non-metals are brittle in nature. Fifth, heating over flame makes it hot at other end. If we start heating at one end, then we can find that at other end also it gets heated, and this property is known as conductivity. And metals are good conductor of heat, but non-metals, it is not a good conductor, that means it is insulator. Then produce sound when hit with an object. When we try to hit the object with any material, then we can hear a ringing sound, and this property is known as sonority. And metals are sonorous in nature, but non-metal, it cannot produce any ringing sound. So these property can be studied in case of vessel or utensils. In the kitchen, all the utensils are made up of metals, and all these properties are present in them. So note your observation as yes or no, or write the property. Here the materials which we have taken: iron, copper, aluminium, magnesium, coal and sulfur. From 1 to 4, iron, copper, aluminium and magnesium, all the properties are done by it. That means it is, the surface is hard, malleable, it is ductile, good conductor. And so inference, that means what is the result? All these four are metal. But the last two, coal and sulfur, are non-metal. So in each case it is no, and inference, that means result, is non-metal. So you have to fill this table, and then this activity get completed. You can do this activity at your home also. You can take different materials and then try to do this.